Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this best IT management platform called Syncromsp. So here's the breakdown. Syncromsp is an all-in-one IT management platform built for managed service provider, which is MSPs, and IT teams that want to run their business and tech ops from a single dashboard. It combines remote monitoring, management, and the professional service automation, which is the PSA, ticketing, invoicing, and patch management, scripting, and integrated remote control. So you can automate repetitive tasks, support clients faster, and keep endpoint healthy without juggling multiple tools. That said, while Syncromsp delivers strong value by building RMM and PSA in one system, some advanced reporting and customization options aren't as deep as the standalone enterprise solution. The smaller team may also find the feature set more expensive than they actually need at first. So in my opinion, the Syncromsp is one of the best IT management platform for MSPs and internal IT teams that want powerful automation, built-in service tools, and streamlined workflow, but extra complex enterprise environment might still pair it with specialized add-ons for better result. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.